Hello guys, beekeeping is a good venture. I think I call beekeeping a good driver. They have a good job during the day. They pollinate my coffee. This is their full-time job. But then I don't pay them, they pay me 1 shilling per gram of that is their toxic substance. Honey is their toxic substance. Their excretion is what pays me. So actually, what these guys produce is gunpowder. They produce weaponry. Their weaponry is the most precious. When they shoot, they have to die. So these guys, they are shooting not to protect their honey. Their honey is their excrete.